Love you like a brother, treat you like a friend, respect you like a lover. Oh, 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 oh.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta
If you
sweat
be
that.
the cash, I'll be the rubber band. You be the
Alright everybody, this is the kind of obstacle you use when you don't have the proper equipment. This is the because we got Nakamaru who wants to be in the way. Kuma, sit. Kuma, jump. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Come on. Jump. That wasn't a jump. He doesn't get a treat for that one. But I bet you'll do it this time. Sit. Come on. Jump. Good boy. I know, Naka. You'll be able to do it when you get bigger, man. And that's more training from Akuma, Khalid, and Naka before Seatman 6.
silhouettes above the cradle hold me down. They won't let me go the wrong way.
Naka! Oh, wait, come on. Come here, Naka! Come here! Come here!
Come on, move.
Sit. Naka. Sit. Sit. He's not doing it now.
He just did it.
Oh, good boy! Good boy! Good boy!
8 weeks old. Come on, man. Throw me a piece, Stacy. Hey. Down. Good boy.
He's learning from a
Come here, Naka. Come here, Naka. Good boy. Yes, you are. Good. He is learning. He's learning really, really fast.
Naka! Come here, baby. Oh,
He's really fast.
come here. Come here, Naka. Sit. Sit. Naka. Sit. No, he's not doing it now.
Only so much in one day, huh?
You hungry? Are you hungry? Come here. Sit. Sit. Speak. Naka. Speak. Speak, Naka. Speak. You gotta speak. Speak. Come here.
Speak, man.
Naka, speak. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Good boy. You spoke.
So fast. He's 9 weeks. Good boy, Kuma.
I know we've been here before, girl. I promise, it's the last time. Yeah. I know we've been here before, girl.